Business travel is a necessity for many, but it can be a struggle. You have to be your best on the road, but hours in a cramped space, often immobile, can wreak havoc on your body and your mind.
Inactivity will promote muscle tension and stiffness, and again, for long flights, one of the issues a lot of people have will be back pain, buttock pain, or hamstring tightness or calf tightness. Typically it's pressure on the buttock and the sciatic nerve when you're sitting for prolonged periods of time, which is why people find themselves fidgeting in their seats a little bit to relieve that pressure.
That's why many airports across the country are trying to help their passengers unwind and stretch out.
I think as a society we are becoming a lot healthier, and we're also traveling a lot more. So we're finding that airports are responding to this, and they're offering healthier options.
Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport has installed mosaic medallions on the floor. They're works of art used to guide passengers in a nearly 1-mile walking route around the terminal.
It starts on one end of the terminal, and they're about 100 steps apart. There's a dozen of them. And as you walk your way around the terminal, you can appreciate the floor artwork that we've got here at DFW. So it's another nice way to help people, relieve their stress, relieve the stress of traveling, and make it a nicer experience.
Walking's fantastic. That's going to maintain some flexibility in the muscles in the back and buttock area and the legs.
Both Dallas-Fort Worth and San Francisco International Airports have added yoga rooms where passengers can stretch out.
Before getting on the plane, maintain hydration is also very good because cabins can get a little dry and people can start to cramp up a little bit then as well. But beforehand, just trying to be as active as possible will be good, especially before you board if you're on a layover. Taking that time to just do a couple stretches before you get back on the plane.
And in many airports like Chicago's O'Hare, Boston's Logan, and Dallas-Fort Worth, healthy meals are now easier to find.
We now require every concessionaire to have a healthy option on their menu. You can get a vegetable plate at a barbecue joint, for example. And so, in addition to that, the concessionaires are finding that when they offer healthy choices, more people are buying that.
And if you have the time or inclination, there is always another way to relieve stress and sore muscles. And you'll find it offered at many airports. A massage. Holly Furfer, CNN.